Both parents are in the coconut. Oh, now they're coming out because they see me. Darn, I was trying to figure out why they're both in the coconut. It's okay. You can take care of your babies. You can take care of your babies. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mama. Hello, little baby. Hello. Everything all right in there? Why is the biggest one on the bottom? Is that normal? Is he okay? All right, I see wings moving. Why would you put the guy who has the least feathers on top to get cold? Maybe because Mama was there? Is he okay? Mama, is everybody all right? Oh, you have some blue feathers starting too. I think I see some blue feathers on you. Is everybody all right, Mama? Yeah. Okay. There you are. Hi. Hello, you're Yule, the blue one. Not sure who you are. My guess is you look like you are probably Winter. And that guy on the bottom, who appears to be the smallest, is probably Christmas. Christmas, can you move for me? Because, of course, my go-to fear is always like, everybody's alive, right? Tempted to trim those coconut things. All right.